Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss how you can access those websites that you are not able to accessible directly from Pakistan and any country. For example, let me try to open Tumblr. Click here tumblr.com. Here you can see site cannot be reached. Simply you need to go here and you need to install any of the VPN, free VPN Chrome extension. Here you will get different VPN plugin, VPN extensions. You can go here and install any of these. So let me try here this one, Browsic VPN. Here you need to go on chromewebstore.google.com and you can type this one, Browsic VPN. Then you can easily install this extension in your Google Chrome browser. And within just few seconds it will be installed. After that you can pin it at the top. Now let's go back, and here we need to enable this VPN. Select the location. Now you can go and reload this page. Now here you can see this website is working fine. In this way you can easily access those websites that are not accessible directly